The chairman of special administrators for Bala and Lautoka, Mr. Anil Amin, the president of Fiji Football Association, Mr. Rajesh Patel, his board members, the team from PUNJAS, Parveen and Gopal, the chairman of the grants committee, Mr. Ayas Musa, the president and officials of the respective districts, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulapinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It is my pleasure to officially open the PUNJAS Battle of the Giants tournament here in Sugar City, Lautoka. At the outset, I would like to acknowledge and thank the Fiji Football Association for continuing with the tournament, which has proven to be a great success over the years. I know that the original BOG was held to generate funds for the Suva FA in 1978. And soon after, it was taken up by the Fiji FA and has become the template for its sponsorship-based tournament model. And on this note, ladies and gentlemen, of sponsorship, I acknowledge the support of the tournament sponsors PUNJAS and their contribution towards the development of football in our nation. There have been past sponsors of football, including at the youth and women's game, and their continued support is greatly appreciated. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to the Super Premier teams participating from today onwards until the 28th August this Sunday and the finals next week. Ladies and gentlemen, this tournament is an important one in the sporting calendar of Fiji. And I'm sure it is also for many of our Fijian brothers and sisters around the country and abroad. Sports in general play an important role in our society today, and our past has proven that sports can unify us as a nation. We want Fiji to be as competitive as other counterparts in individual or team sports. And the recent success, as mentioned earlier on by the CEO and the president of the Fiji women's football side in reaching the OFC playoff finals, adds greatly to the development of sports of women and girls. Can we all put our hands together for our women's team? Tournaments such as this, ladies and gentlemen, as the PUNJAS BOG, helps brings about a healthy, vibrant nation and promote health and wellness through partnership-based programs. To the players and officials, let us keep this tournament clean and let fair play rule. Do promote equality and fairness throughout the tournament and work tirelessly to improve the standards of football. And I'm certain that we will reap success in the near future. This, ladies and gentlemen, will mean that we all see and interact with each other with the common goodwill and as a good citizen's commitment to peace and harmony in this beautiful island of ours. Ladies and gentlemen, I conclude with the best wishes to all the participating teams at the 2022 PUNJAS Battle of the Giants tournament. It is now my great pleasure to declare the 2022 PUNJAS Battle of the Giants tournament open. Thank you and Vinaka.